హలో గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. మోర్ స్కిల్స్ క్లాసెస్ వీక్షిస్తున్నటువంటి వీక్షకులందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఈరోజు మనం టుడే వీ హ్యావ్ డిస్కస్ అన్ హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్ డే, దట్ ఈజ్ సెలబ్రేటింగ్ హౌ వీ హ్యావ్ సెలబ్రేటింగ్ హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్. హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్ డే empowers and acknowledges the advocates and defenders of human rights around the world. Let us tell you that human rights are non-discriminatory, that is, all human beings are entitled to people and cannot be excluded from them. And the dilemma is that all human beings are entitled to human rights but do not experience them equally throughout the world. Human Rights Day, the theme of Human Rights Day is youth standing up the human rights. It focuses on the role of youth in collective movements, which are the sources of inspiration for a better future. Youth are the constructive agents of change, can amplify their voices and engage audiences globally in the promotion and protection of rights. Why is youth focused on this day? According to the UN, the participation of youth is necessary to achieve sustainable development for all. They can play an important role to make a positive change. It is necessary to empower youth to know their rights so that they can claim their rights in the case of urgency and benefit globally. The date is selected to honor the United Nations General Assembly's implementation and notification on 10th December 1948 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, which was one of the first global declaration of human rights. On 4th December 1950, the formal celebration of Human Rights Day happened at the 317th plenary meeting of the General Assembly. When the General Assembly announced resolution, the day is celebrated by organizing big political conferences and meetings and by cultural events concerning of human rights issues. Additionally, on this day, the United Nations Prize in the field of human rights and Nobel Peace Prize is awarded. Various government and non-governmental organizations organize special events related to the human rights field. How is International Human Rights Day celebrated? Human Rights Day is celebrated by formally organizing the political conferences, meetings, exhibitions, cultural events, and many other programs to leverage human rights awareness. A particular theme is decided to make this celebration more effective and successful. For example, human poverty is one of the biggest rights challenges. By celebrating Human Rights Day, they try to achieve the goals of eradicating poverty from human life and help them establishing and living a well-off life. Some other programs are also performed, such as music, drama, dance, and others, which focus on learning human rights by people. Some of the protest activities are also conducted in order to generate awareness among the people for human rights. Why do we celebrate Human Rights Day? International Human Rights Day is celebrated across the globe by the people to achieve real rights for human beings. This day is celebrated with an aim to improve the physical and socio-cultural well-being and welfare of the suspectable group of the people throughout the world. Few reasons for celebrating this day are the follows: to leverage the awareness about human rights among the people across the globe, to accentuate the efforts of the United Nations General Assembly in order to progress the comprehensive human rights conditions, to interact the celebrate in association to discuss and highlight the crucial issues of human rights, to motivate the susceptible group of the people like women, minorities, teenagers, poor disabled person, and others to participate in the event. Some important historical events: in 1979, Shihming organized a human rights campaign in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, which led to the Kaohsiung incident, consisting of 3 rounds of arrest and mock trial of political opponents of the ruling Kuomintang party, followed by their imprisonment. In 1983, Raul Alfonsin, the president of Argentina, decided to assume office on 10th December, making the end of the military dictatorship, which was related to human rights violations that happened during the dictatorship in 2004. International Human Rights Day was sanctioned by the International Humanist and Ethical Union (IHEU) as an official day of human rights celebrations. Important days in December 10th. So friends, we have to know our rights. You have to follow the rights. You have to perform. You have to motivate. You have to cultivate the people and throughout the world by the people. What is a human right? You have to must learn, must teach to our people. That is the main thing. So that's why we have to spread the human rights in these things. Nowadays, so many persons are not getting the good and more information about our rights. So we have to learn each and everything. Then we have to become a citizen. So we have to follow, we have to protect, we have to know about the rights. Okay, thank you once again. If you have to like this video, you have to like, share, comment, and don't miss the subscription. You have to subscribe. You have to click the bell icon, following more and more videos. Thank you.